Looking to simplify your day without changing your whole routine? These clever Amazon gadgets are designed to save time, reduce hassle, and make everyday tasks feel easier. From small upgrades to smart solutions you'll use non-stop, each pick focuses on making life smoother at home. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Mopping shouldn't feel like a workout or a two-step process. This smart steam cleaner vacuums debris, scrubs stains, and sanitizes your floors all at the same time. You don't need to sweep first because it grabs dry crumbs, wet messes, and stuck-on dirt as you go. The motorized brush roll spins while steam loosens grime, so tough stains break down faster without harsh chemicals. And since the brush roll cleans itself, you're always cleaning with a fresh surface. So if you want sparkling floors without the hassle, scan the QR to shop now. Laundry day gets a serious upgrade with this all-in-one washer and dryer. You load your clothes once, press start, and they come out clean and dry without ever switching machines. It's made for tight spaces like apartments, dorms, or RVs, so you get full laundry power without giving up room. Multiple wash and dry cycles let you treat delicates, workout gear, or everyday clothes the right way. The front-load design and simple buttons make it easy for you to get great results with zero hassle. So if you want effortless laundry days, scan the QR on screen. Long days on your feet don't have to end in soreness. This 2-in-1 foot and calf massager wraps your legs in deep shiatsu kneading, soothing vibration, and gentle compression. Built-in heat helps relax tight muscles and boosts circulation, so relief kicks in faster. You can target tired feet, ankles, or calves depending on how you position them. It's an easy way for you to unwind, recharge, and feel the stress melt away at home. So if you want ultimate relaxation after a long day, scan the QR to shop now. Late-night feedings just got a whole lot more comfortable. This electric rocking chair gently glides, swivels, and reclines, so you can settle into the perfect position every time. The adjustable armrests move in multiple directions, giving your arms and shoulders the support they need while nursing or bottle feeding. Built-in holders keep your drink, phone, or blanket right within reach. Add in a USB charger, and you've got a cozy command center made just for you and your baby. Your phone screen shouldn't feel tiny when you're watching something good. This clever magnifier turns your smartphone into a mini theater in seconds. You just place your phone behind the screen, and everything appears bigger, clearer, and easier on your eyes. The optical lens boosts the image while filtering blue light, helping reduce eye strain during long viewing sessions. Fold it flat, toss it in a bag, and you've got big screen vibes wherever you go. This globe feels like a little piece of space magic on your desk. It slowly spins on its own using nothing but room light, with no batteries, cords, or noise at all. The cloud-covered Earth design looks incredibly lifelike, making it relaxing to watch as it turns. Inside, a clever magnetic system keeps the motion smooth and continuous without you doing a thing. Set it down, let the light hit it, and enjoy a calm, mesmerizing view of the planet. So if you want a desktop that's out of this world, scan the QR to shop now. Pet hair has a way of showing up at the worst times. This reusable lint roller quickly lifts fur, crumbs, and dust from clothes, couches, and beds without wasting sticky sheets. You just roll it over the surface and watch the mess disappear. When it gets dirty, rinse it under water and it's ready to use again. It's small enough to toss in your bag, so you're always prepared when you need a quick cleanup. This lighter isn't just fire, it's a full-on statement. With a single click, you get a powerful windproof torch, and then a dramatic open flame that looks like it's coming straight from a dragon's mouth. You can switch flame styles depending on what you need, indoors or outside. The clear fuel window lets you see when it's time to refill, so you're never caught off guard. Compact, refillable, and seriously cool, it's built for people who like a little flair with their everyday tools. When tiny details matter, your eyes deserve some backup. This hands-free head magnifier brings small parts right into focus so you can work with precision. Interchangeable lenses let you switch zoom levels depending on how fine the job is. Built-in LED lighting shines directly on your work, so shadows don't get in the way. Worn like a headband, it keeps your hands free and lets you focus without eye strain during close-up tasks. So if you want precision without the strain, scan the QR on screen. Every move counts in gaming, and this wireless mouse makes each one precise. With a super sensitive sensor, it tracks even the smallest flicks for pinpoint accuracy. The hollowed-out design keeps your hand cool while intense sessions heat up, and 5 programmable buttons let you set up your perfect control scheme. Customizable RGB lighting adds style and immersion, while versatile wireless and wired connections keep you ready for any setup. Lightweight and responsive, it's built so you stay sharp and in control every game. Never run out of juice again? Literally in your pocket. This magnetic power bank snaps perfectly to your iPhone for stable wireless charging anywhere you go. With a 10,000 mAh battery, it can fully charge your phone up to twice, making it perfect for travel or long days. The built-in USB-C cable and 22.5 watt fast charging get you back to 60% in just half an hour. Smart safety features protect your devices while charging efficiently. Turn any ride into a light show with these upgraded wireless LED strobe lights. Each pod packs 4 bright LEDs and lets you pick from 8 colors and 10 flashing modes using the remote up to 7 meters away. The Type-C rechargeable battery powers up in just an hour and lasts for hours of flashing fun. Waterproof and easy to mount with Velcro or bands, they're perfect for cars, bikes, drones, or even boats. Add instant style and safety with vibrant, eye-catching lighting. So if you want to light up every ride, scan the QR to shop now. Protect your hands without losing control with these tactical gloves. Reinforced microfiber and padded palms absorb impacts and prevent scratches while riding, climbing, or working outdoors. The thumb, index, and middle fingers are touchscreen friendly, so you can use your phone without taking them off. Breathable ventilation keeps your hands cool and dry, while anti-slip palm mesh ensures a firm grip in any situation. Durable, versatile, and built for adventure. Crack nuts with a twist of fun using this squirrel-shaped walnut clip. Made from heavy-duty zinc alloy, it easily handles walnuts, pecans, almonds, and more without bending or breaking. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, so you can crack nuts without straining your fingers. Compact and portable, it's perfect for picnics, camping, or your kitchen countertop. Practical, sturdy, and delightfully whimsical all at once. Make staying hydrated effortless with this inverted water dispenser stand. Its press-to-pour design lets you get water quickly without lifting heavy bottles. Made from food-grade plastic, it won't rust and keeps your water safe. The triangular base provides strong stability, so it won't wobble even under a full bottle. Easy to place on any tabletop, it's a simple, convenient solution for home or office hydration. So if you want easy, spill-free water anytime, scan the QR on screen. Step into fun and freedom with these 2-in-1 roller skate shoes. Hidden wheels pop out with a simple switch at the heel, letting you glide smoothly or walk normally anytime. Made with breathable PU, rubber soles, and cushioned insoles, they keep your feet comfortable and secure while skating or strolling. Extra wheels and tools are included for convenience. Perfect for kids and adults, they turn everyday walks into an exciting outdoor adventure. Never waste a drop of sauce again with this clever ketchup roller keychain. Just attach it to your keys or bag and squeeze condiments straight from packets. Ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, or syrup anywhere you go. Small, portable, and reusable. It's perfect for picnics, lunches, or road trips. Each pack comes with 2 keychains, making it a fun and practical gift. Handy, mess-free, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Brighten up your cabinets instantly with these Hinge LED sensor lights. Each light turns on automatically when you open the door, illuminating wardrobes, cupboards, or closets without fumbling in the dark. Installation is a breeze, just 2 minutes and no tools needed, and battery replacement takes only 30 seconds. With high brightness and low power consumption, these lights make finding items fast, easy, and convenient, all while looking clean and minimalist. So if you want effortless lighting for every cabinet, scan the QR to shop now. Enjoy fresh coffee anywhere with this cordless coffee maker. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it brews a 5-ounce cup in just 5 minutes, perfect for the job site or camping trips. No paper filters are needed. The permanent drip filter lets you use ground coffee or single-serve packs. Compact and portable, it fits easily on countertops or workbenches. Brew up to 3 cups per battery charge and enjoy coffee on the go. Cook smarter and safer with this non-toxic glass air fryer. Its 360 degrees clear bowl lets you watch fries, veggies, or a whole chicken cook evenly in real time. With 9 one-touch functions, including air fry, roast, bake, and rotisserie, you get restaurant-quality results at home. Made from BPA and Teflon-free materials, it's safe for the whole family. Plus, the self-cleaning mode makes cleanup effortless. Just add water and soap, press a button, and you're done. Craving that perfect sear without stepping outside? This 5-in-1 indoor grill brings outdoor grilling flavors right to your countertop. You can grill, air fry, roast, bake, or even dehydrate, all in one unit. Cyclonic air cooks food evenly while creating those char-grilled marks you love. Air frying cuts up to 75% of fat compared to deep frying, and all the ceramic-coated parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Ready to cook from frozen to delicious in under 25 minutes? This grill makes every meal effortless and flavorful. So if you want amazing meals without the hassle, scan the QR on screen. Say goodbye to crammed fridge shelves. This counter-depth side-by-side refrigerator gives you 15.6 cubic feet of organized storage. Oversized door bins hold all your favorite beverages, while adjustable shelves let you customize space for any item. A digital display lets you easily control temperature for both fridge and freezer. Frost-free technology keeps food fresh, and the built-in interior light helps you find exactly what you need, fast and hassle-free. Make opening bottles fun again with this adorable penguin-shaped opener. Just slot a bottle cap in and push down. The automatic mechanism pops it off instantly. Built-in magnets catch the cap, keeping your counter clean and tidy. Compact enough to sit on your bar, desk, or take on camping trips. It's both a handy tool and a playful decor piece. Every bottle opening moment becomes a little more joyful. Turn any chair into a personal spa with this full-body massage mat. It targets your back, neck, and feet with soothing vibration and kneading motions. Detachable lumbar and head pillows make it easy to customize comfort for your body. Built-in heat melts tension, while 2 earplugs help you fully relax. Compact and portable, it's perfect for stress relief at home or a thoughtful gift for someone who deserves to unwind. So if you want instant relaxation anytime, scan the QR to shop now. Lunch just got a serious upgrade with this portable oven. It cooks, warms, or reheats fresh or frozen meals evenly. No overcooking, no burning, and no bad odors. Intelligent temperature control keeps your food moist and tasty, while its compact design fits in backpacks for work, dorms, or travel. Compatible with most heat-safe containers, it's perfect for leftovers, meal prep, or on-the-go meals. Quick, convenient, and hassle-free, it's your personal mini kitchen anywhere.